Is the watch event outside or inside?
It's inside. It's one of the pavilions.
Okay.
They're downstairs. Do you want to meet up?
Sure.
Okay.
No, let's do whatever. That's a neat design.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Yeah. The artist follows me now. Like we follow each other.
That is hilarious.
Yeah.
What's it look like on the back?
Next to the Remember You'll Die.
And then it's a little rotor. So yeah, so it has like a little thing. Yeah, I'm working one of these. Yeah, balance is already broken.
Did you want? Is this like a more?
This is older, so I think this is like 40, no 50.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, BFG Baumgartner for 670. Yeah, so these are like Mickey Mouse watches, like that's what's in them.
I see.
Like from the 60s.
Gotcha.
Getting into watchmaking. So my thing now is finding like vintage watches online that are not like maybe a little bit rough around the edges.
Yeah.
Buy them for really expensive.
Get this guy to fix them.
No. I'm learning.
Oh, you're learning how to do it yourself. Okay.
Yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at in my watch journey.
Amazing workshops over there, and I want it to be just the same when you go outside, and to have the same exclusive feeling.
Bring a little bit of social.
Yes.
That's like the main.
Yeah, so you have to assemble this if you want to buy a Cimier watch.
So assemble it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's a full day watch experience. Yeah, so we flew in all our equipment, watchmakers. So in the morning you assemble the complete movement, and you have to do the rest of the watch. So at the end of the day, you go back home with your customers Swiss watchmakers.
Unidirectional, and it's screw down because it's scuba. So you have to unscrew it, pull it out, set the time, and it's GMT. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so GMT hand for an extra time zone. Pull it down, then secure the screw down crown, and it's good to go. Yeah. Nice nice shape, like nice size. Has that nice mirror polish on the sides. Even at the back, like you got some nice detail. Ah, that's so good. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
So that was one of the three that we did to celebrate the shrooms.
Yeah.
Which is this one is the jade.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, nice.
Okay, so we're seeing. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You see the moon, the smallest one?
That's the moon going around the Earth.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, and then the center is the sun.
Exactly.
And so that would be the Earth going around the
Yeah.
sun. Got it. That's cool. That's cool.
I've assembled a few of these at home.
I mean, I've got the Lego set.
Yeah.
Light to seal the color, so hence you see this really strong saturation. It all comes from a dye.
Yeah. I really like the colors on it. It's very vibrant.
Yeah. That's so good.
Nice. Classic looking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's simple. Very unique hands too. Like very syringe.
6 months.
It's perfect for like when you're out and about in Tokyo.
Yeah, totally.
Saturday or
Saturday.
I was like, that watch terrifies
And I was confused. And I'm like, why?
Look at it. Like, that is terrifying.
Can you imagine like at night it's like blowing up to your bed?
Stuff here. citizens.
I know. We only bring a couple. And this is also the only time.
Yeah, that's what I see. Yeah. Just releases the pressure.
This is
So yeah, they're bringing out more of the collection, like from their vintage collection.
Oh, very. What brand is that? Zealous?
They're really huge. Oh, that one's working. There we go. So that's how. Oh really? Unidirectional?
Yeah, you choose the minutes you want.
Oh.
So you're choosing between 5-minute markers, 10-minute markers, and 15.
I see.
And you line them at the bottom.
We should have a limited edition where it's a little astronaut like spinning, or like a for like G.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
We're looking at the top.
Exactly. That's the time zone.
Love the color. It's nice, and those are the failed dials over there, right?
Yeah. Failed or like design experiments.
Yeah.
This
Like
is
during
for
these shows.
function.
So not a lot yet, but you have a bunch of Silicon Valley people that are tired of Silicon Valley, and we're pursuing stuff like this. Experiment. I go, I'm gonna bring my 2010.
Okay.
Only us, which it makes it more difficult. Because if more people are wanting more movements to be made in America, it's just going to make our lives easier.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll get there. We'll see. Yeah, slowly.